PayPal is a payment service that enables you to accept payments, pay for goods and services, and send or receive money anywhere in the world without delays. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's say tutorials. Our tutorial today is we will be drawing cash from PayPal to M-Pesa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's say tutorials. Make sure you stick me to the end of the recording. PayPal for smart choice for business. Whether you're looking for complete payment solution or want to add PayPal as an extra payment method to your existing website, you have a smart solution that is right for your business. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our tutorial today is how to withdraw cash from PayPal, PayPal to M-Pesa, PayPal to M-Pesa. Yeah, we'll be going the tutorial here. This is a link that this one that we'll be choosing. So once we enter in the PayPal, this is PayPal. I can see it reads that it has $217. So we'll be going one on one. In Kenya, M-Pesa is a payment method that is also digital and very reliable. Welcome to PayPal mobile service with M-Pesa. Finally, Kenya, fund you can move funds from PayPal to M-Pesa accounts. Your money, your choice. So we'll come here, login. By default, it will have to log in to it will log in. So we'll go to the very first thing. I think internet is low. Yeah, it will say continue to this by default, since in the other tab we have logged into our PayPal. When we come to PayPal to M-Pesa, I know it will log in by default. Yeah, you see it has logged in. Now we'll come here and say withdraw money from PayPal. In that platform, you can also in this platform you're also able to top up money to PayPal and also withdraw money from PayPal. So it's PayPal to M-Pesa. So here we'll be withdrawing 108.5. That's the cash that we'll draw. Please enter the amount that you like to withdraw from your PayPal account. We'll say continue to withdraw. Please note that the minimum amount per transaction is 150,000 Kenya shillings, and you can hold up to 300,000 in your M-Pesa account. So it means in an M-Pesa it's possible to withdraw from $1,500 to $3,000. Yeah, M-Pesa can hold, so it means you can do transactions that M-Pesa will hold up to $3,000. So we'll say continue to withdraw. And here's something that we want to withdraw this cash in the next 2 hours. Since it's less than $200, I know it will withdraw within the next 2 hours. But yeah, so when we say continue to withdraw, it says the amount to be debited to the PayPal is 11,165 shillings. The fixed rate is 102.91 Kenyan shillings, make $1. Your transaction will be processed in the next 2 hours. Welcome to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So the thing that we'll take a screenshot of that. Yeah, since we need to, okay, let us say confirm. Yeah, when we confirm the transaction, it will process. Yeah, let us go to withdraw. I can see the available balance in your PayPal is 0 since I clicked twice. When I click twice, by default, I know they will be able to. This is the available dollars. Let us refresh and see what is existing in PayPal. I know the balance should be reading 0 since I've withdrawn the whole cash. So yeah, I can see the balance is at zero. It has made two transactions at the same time, and I know in a few I'll be receiving messages in my phone number confirming that the in 2 hours it will be withdrawing. It will be withdrawing the $217, but I've withdrawn them continuously. When we open these transaction, we'll be able to find that in the next 2 hours we'll be able to withdraw that cash. So here you can see withdraw from PayPal to withdraw from your PayPal account to M-Pesa. Withdraw from your PayPal account to M-Pesa. So what we'll be doing, we'll see that it says that the transaction authorization is on 4th, but the status is pending. After 2 hours, that's the time we withdraw through our phone number via M-Pesa via M-Pesa. So another thing that will be doing, will confirm in the email address. They'll send you in the email address. In the email address, they'll tell me you have authorized a payment of $180 to Dunes. Dunes is the company that is in charge of that transaction between PayPal to M-Pesa. They are the guys who are sponsors to that project. So I will be waiting in 2 hours to get the 108.5 US dollars. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's say tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me, and have a very good time, especially this time that we are being attacked by COVID 18. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's say tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment.